channel Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 5, Working with Windows OS. Content of this video is what is Start menu, what is meant by computer icons, how to create files and folders. So, Start menu. The lower left hand corner of the Windows screen is called the Start button. So this is the Start button. Here there are many things which are labeled. The sub menu is the thing which is used frequently. Control panel is for modifying system settings. Device and printers is used to add any peripheral device. And help and support will give online offline help regarding the Windows OS. Log off, restart, shutdown. All the three are available. There are some difference among them. And all programs will give all the list of installed other programs. Search box is to search a particular application in a computer. And this round button is the Start button. So what is the Taskbar? At the bottom of the screen is a horizontal bar called Taskbar. This bar contains from left to right the Start button, shortcuts to various programs. So minimized programs, and in the extreme right corner you can see the system tray which consists of volume control, network, date and time. One more answer for Taskbar is at the bottom of the screen is a horizontal bar called Taskbar. And here are the minimized programs. Left side is the Start button. And you can have volume control, network, date and time at the right side. Next to the Start button is the Quick Launch toolbar. We can have a quick launch of an application in the Taskbar. Next one is Computer icon. By clicking this icon, the user can see the disk drives. We already discussed about the disk drives mounted in the system. That means what are the things available in that particular computer. In Windows XP version, Vista version, the icon is called My Computer, but for the version Windows 8 and 10, it is called this PC. So the My Computer icon is very important. From that we can get all the details of a particular computer. Even the icon is different, the functions are same for all the versions of Windows OS. Below you can see some of the images of each versions of Windows. So this is the Start button. These are all called minimized program folders, and in the right side you are having the network icon, volume control, adjustment icon and date and time. All together forms the Taskbar. And Windows XP, can you see the My Computer icon? In Windows 7, the icon will be like that. Windows 8 and 10, it is this piece. So how to start and close the application? That means how to open and close it. Most of the applications installed in the computer are available through the Start menu itself. So click the Start button and then point to all the programs in all programs. From the all programs you will get the list. From the list you can click the required application. That means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, anything you want, you can do that. The another method is in the run command. That means in the search box, in the start menu, clicking run on the start menu. There will be a small dialog box. Here you can type the exe name. Exe name means the application name, how it is installed in that. So if you type the name and click OK, the particular application will be opened. How to close means simply we can use the close button of the application window to close that particular application. Or else we can use file exit or file close option in Windows 7. So managing files and folders, how to create a file. You can organize, you can store files in many locations on the hard disk or in other device. So how to create a new folder? File in. There are many methods. One of the methods is right click in a particular place and you can form a new file. That means new folder, and it will come with the name of new folder by default. You can so a new folder name will be there. We can rename the name or we can give our own name to the new folder. So we'll see the demo how to do this. Right click new folder, then a new folder will appear with a yellow color, folder name. Then how to create a file means start all programs, accessories, WordPad. It's one of the method. Then after opening the application, you can type the content and using the Ctrl plus S shortcut key or file save, you can save the file with our own name. A save as dialog box will be opened. In that box, we have to give the name for that particular file and click the save button. Go to your location, take the home option, it's Windows 10 version, click the new folder, this new folder will appear. Here you can give a name for that, your own name for that particular folder. Another method is right click, go to new option, select the folder option, you can give your own name for the folder creator. So you have seen two methods to create a new folder. How to create a new file? Same right click, new option, go to the type of the file you want. I am selecting text document. A document is created. We have to give the name for that file. So I am given as new file. Double click, it will open a window. That means it is a notepad file. So I am typing the content. File, save, close. So your file, a folder has created. So you learned how to create a folder, a file. So another method is start all programs, accessories, WordPad. So So in this method also you can create, or else run. So it's a desktop screen. You can see the icons here. It's a standard icon. It's a shortcut. You can see a small blue color arrow here. Then here it's a Windows 10 version. So this is the start button with the start menu. This lower bottom place is called the Taskbar, and these are all minimized programs. So here start. This looks different because of the version. So if you want to open an application which is installed, you can select from here itself and make it open. Then this close button is used to close the application. In the search, I am typing as a run. So a run dialog box will appear. Here we can type the application name. This exe file name is not here, so it is not opening. So instead of Paint, I am giving Excel. Click OK. The application get started. So you can work in this application, or else you can close. This is a desktop place. Here also by right click, new folder. A folder is created with the default name of new folder. You can rename it. So these are the procedures to create a file and folder. So you have learned about start menu, what are computer icons, and how to create a file and folder. That's all for the session, children. Thank you. Have a good day.